What's going on, guys? ChrisSVT again. Welcome back to my channel. We got the GT500 sitting in the background, really dusty. It hasn't got any attention lately. I've been just working this week. In fact, I'm working right now. I'm on my break and I got a package in the mail and I wanted to show this to you guys. I've been waiting for this package for a minute, so I want to record it for you guys. It's one of those little surprise packages, so it's gonna be really cool for both of us opening it. So this week I have been just working. I haven't really been paying attention much to the shop because I'm just working extra hours just to save up for some car parts. I'm not gonna tell you what yet, but pretty soon the Shopee will have some more mods, little by little. All right, let's go in here and get the package real quick. So the package is on the chair. Let's see, I got it right here. All right, so first look at the package. It is the Cargazette automotive subscription box. In here you usually find a couple shirts, some stickers, a detail product. Let's open this up and see what I got today. So right here we have the Cargazette subscription box. Looks pretty cool. Right here we have a Q50, I believe, and a Toyota Supra drifting. It comes in different prices. I will show you guys at the end of the video, but you guys could also go on the website and read it for yourselves. But as of now, let's start opening it up. So the one I got was the muscle category, so I will be receiving some muscle stuff. Hopefully it's Mustang, but it could be Camaro, Challenger, anything like that, Corvette. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. Let's see. Feels like a little surprise. Oh, nice. We got some sprays and stuff. All right, so right here we have a microfiber cloth. This looks premium. I just have regular microfibers. This looks pretty cool. Nice and soft. All right, so that's what's up. All right, and right here we have a Chemical Guy Speed Wipe. It is a quick detailer, spray gloss. Nice. Cherry scented, so it'll smell pretty good. It's always cool to have some different quick detailers and spray waxes. Behind here we have a Cargazette racetrack map, so that's pretty cool. Probably put this up on the barbershop. This is a little poster. Nice. And my box comes with 2 shirts. So right here we have a Viper. Here's the ACR with the track in the back. Dope. In white. And you also get to choose your size. I am a large. That's very nice. We'll be wearing this tomorrow maybe. And this one is a Cargazette shirt with their logo in the back. Dope. These shirts feel really nice. They feel soft. Usually you would expect like a cheap shirt or something, but no, this is actually high quality. Yeah, I like these. And right here we have some brushes. Okay, it doesn't say what these are for. They look too stiff for wheels, but it could be used for like the tires, not sure. Last but not least, we have some stickers and a car scent. Okay, it says Cargazette. That's dope. So these are some stickers. So I just noticed they actually send you the stickers to match your shirt. So this is the Cargazette one, and this is the Cargazette ACR Dodge Viper right there. That's pretty dope how they made them match. All right, so the website is thecargazette.com. I will link the URL in the description. I will also link a coupon code that I got for you guys, so you guys can feel free to use that for a certain percentage off of your order. These are the 3 packages they have. They have the premium, standard, and basic. So right here you can read up what comes with what. Obviously, the higher up you go, the more things you get. Wow, let me tell you guys, this was a cool experience. I love surprises. It is always kind of cool to not know what you're getting, and you open it. It's just like opening Christmas presents as a kid. So right here in review, we have a shirt with the matching decal with the Cargazette logo. Right here we have the ACR with the matching decal. This is the box. Right here we have a poster. This speed wipe is probably like $15 alone, so that is a good deal for everything. Right here we have the brush set, air freshener with their logo, pretty cool. And I don't think this is anything, but you could use it to put your beer on there. And right here we have a premium microfiber cloth. Alright guys, so that pretty much sums up today's unboxing. I will be doing an unboxing of the Cargazette every single month, so stay tuned to see what I get. If you guys purchase it, send me a DM. I want to see what you guys got, or tag me on your Instagram story. Anyways, if you guys start your subscription, don't forget to use my coupon code. It will save you guys some money. And keep in mind, you can either choose muscle, JDM, or Euro, so you guys aren't limited to only one thing. So that will be the end of today's video. Thank you guys all for watching. I appreciate the love and support I have been getting on my YouTube journey. Please follow my Instagram if you guys want more content. Also, huge shout out to Cargazette for sending me this package. I appreciate it. So I'm gonna get going back to work. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Peace.